is already created. Here I will show how to control tank with okay, let's see screen. First of all, let me show you the device that I have used. You can see here in the device and networks. Here you can see CPU 1214C and HMI. You can see the HMI. Okay, now it's time to see what is right. Okay, what is here? Strict time. Okay. Yeah. Here is a simple logic, a program I have created to control in auto and manual modes to fill the tank. What is this condition here is when the tank level or liquid level is at lower level, that means alarming it. Here you can see the low level. Here is another high level indicator. When there is low level, the pump will start and valve will close. Valve will close and pump start and keep on filling tanks. And when the level reaches the high limit, the pump turns off and then a valve turn on. That means to flow out the liquids. And this is a closed loop. Something like closed. When liquid goes down, the pump start. When liquids fill up, then valve open and it keep on continuing. Well, in my actually it is a simulation, so I don't have sensor. With here you can see the slider. It's analog input. This is just to mimic the analog signals. You can see the 0 indicates the 0 liter, and this high limit you can see 27,648 indicates the high level of full level of a tank. And that's only work in manual mode. In auto mode, we don't need sliders. Although I don't have a sensor, but I have some kind of program I have done here. You can see program. You definitely need a good processor. Yeah, here you can see. Let me minimize everything. But here is true program here. The analog scaling from HMI part 1 up to here, and another motor speed control, and that means that tank control is up to here. PID is not. That's why I have some PID. I have some other video. We will upload that later. You can see we are talking about the control. Oh, sorry. Here is the pump control. This is auto manuals. When it turns auto, then this coil turn on, and this logic will operate and mimic the analog signals of the tank, which I'm doing this like this. This logic works same as these sliders. In auto mode, we don't need this slider. It only work in this block will work as the sensor. How it's work actually? When we turn on the selection switch, when we turn in manual auto mode, this one get turned on, and this is the pump and balls control it. when when pump on, it will increased by 1 the value, and keep updating by adding 1 and 1 when there is unless until the pump is turned on, and it is subtract 1 on when tank is high and ball gets on. It will decrease the value 1 from the this added value. This means keep on fluctuating. When pump on, they keep on rising, and when bulb on, it keep on decreasing. You can see over here. This one is for scaling. Increment move from scaling. Scaling is where actually, where is my scaling? Ball control scaling, analog scaling. Yeah, it is analog scaling. That raw value you can see here, or raw value. The raw value feed in here for scaling. Rolex, then scale X. This one show the bar tank level. Okay, yeah, although this is my first video, so maybe there's some mistakes, and I have no idea how to record video or how to speak, or I'm not a tutor, so the explain is okay. I'll try my best. And here we have to, let's go to simulation. First compiling program block, main block, object block, and then start a simulation. I don't have physical PLC, so that I'm simulating everything. Here you can see PLCSIM V14 SP1 updated up to update 6. I think it's update 6. Minimize. My PC is quite slow. Okay, now load. Start all, finish. What you can see here, when turning on, after turn it on, this side will turn green. It means it, yeah, now it's on. Now it's time to simulate the HMI. You can see here. It's still compiling. I don't know why my PC is getting slower every day. This. Yeah, indicating low value, and the mode is where it's in manual mode. You can see here, and you can also see over here it's showing the sliders, but we can change the menu. You can also see that the tank level is increasing. Tank level is increasing. Pump is on. Why? Because when the pump is off, it's turned red, just like this, and vice versa. And same test in respectively in the balls. Ball will be green when it's turned on. You can see when it's reached limit. Cruising 4237 liter. About 5000 must be higher limit. Yeah, you can see it. High limit now indicating a pump's turned off. Now the wall is turned on. Now yes, it's a manual, so we have to decrease it manually. You can see here now it's decreasing. When is minimum is turned, there is indicator. Yes, indicator. Yeah. Now let's turn it and manual auto mode. Now it's feeling when it's mode pump on, turn off, ball on, pump on, filling, ball on, decreasing. This is draining the liquids or whatever is inside the tank. This is mimic, you can see there. Yeah, but why it's not showing the indicators? It's because it's instantly turning another mode. There's no time to, yeah, it's turning on, but you can see, yeah, the process cycle time is so fast, so quick. We can only see that in manual mode. Yeah, but this is how it works. You can see the lead. Well, the programming logic is quite tough. Now I just have to show you this. If you see this, maybe you understand how it's working. It's in manual mode. The sliders mimic the sensor, tank level sensors. Pump on, but ball turns off. Pump off is when it turns red. This means pump off. Now decreasing. Now the ball turn off, pump is start. Means the tanks will be filling up to maximum. Now turn pump off, ball on. It means the liquid should be draining and tank level should be decreasing. Then air is decreasing. Yeah, you can see the air range is quite high, as I already told you. It's the integer value. The integer is just which is used for make the sensors with 0 to 27,648. Yeah, you get already I told you about this. This is how it's work. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Keep supporting me. I'll keep updating it. And subscribe my channels if you like my video. Although it's my not the first, I think it's second video. Yeah, but I will keep trying to show all the errors or all methods I know. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.